This is a professional 56-piece toolset from Yato. The specially selected quarter-inch set is made for car workshop applications and mechanics. The tools are made from chrome vanadium steel and come in a sturdy plastic box with a latch. The set includes a ratchet with 72 teeth with a quick release mechanism, a screwdriver handle that can be combined together with the sliding T-handle, a universal joint, 12 hex sockets, 8 long hex sockets, 2 extensions 76 and 152 mm, 1 flexible extension, 6 torx sockets, 3 slotted bits, 3 phillips bits, 7 torx bits, 6 hex bits, and quarter to half-inch adapter. Check the EMI's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.